Aiden, for the past 6 years you have been my rock, my other half, and my best friend. I will always be there for you, for a hand to hold or an ear to listen. I will celebrate the victories and console the losses. I vow to do my best to make sure that we never go to bed angry or too upset, and always take a nice break. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, talk with you, and work with you. But most of all, I promise to love you forever and always.
All right. So Sarah and Anthony, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of New York, I'm pleased to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Take the day to look around at everything.
Sarah, I must admit my vows to you are nothing really special. I promise to love you, I promise to care for you, the usual stuff. But nothing in this world is more special to me than the relationship we have together. Whenever I am with you, I know I am home. I know I am back in my car. I know I am always in your heart. And that our uncertain lives are made certain when we are together.